This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll delve into the intricate workings of air brake systems, crucial for vehicles. From understanding the components to grasping the operation principles, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned professional, this guide aims to enrich your knowledge and empower you with a deeper understanding of this vital braking technology. Let's dive in and cover the air brake system together. Air brake systems play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of vehicles on the road. Understanding how these systems work is essential for any driver or vehicle operator. Air brakes utilize compressed air to control the braking function, offering a reliable and effective method for stopping large vehicles. By comprehending the mechanics behind air brake systems, drivers can better appreciate the significance of proper maintenance and operation. The safety implications of faulty brake systems underscore the importance of mastering their functionality. Components of an air brake system. Air brake systems in vehicles are crucial for ensuring safe and efficient braking. Understanding the components of an air brake system is essential for grasping how these systems operate seamlessly to stop heavy vehicles. Let's delve into the key components that make up an air brake system. Compressor. The compressor is the heart of the air brake system, responsible for generating compressed air to power the braking mechanism. It works like a pump, pressurizing air to a level necessary for proper brake functioning. Just as the heart circulates blood throughout the body, the compressor ensures a continuous flow of compressed air throughout the brake system. Air storage tanks. Air storage tanks play a vital role in holding the compressed air generated by the compressor. These tanks act as reservoirs, storing the compressed air for immediate use when the brakes are engaged. Think of these tanks as a storage unit that keeps a supply of compressed air readily available for braking when needed. Brake pedal and brake chambers. The connection between the brake pedal and brake chambers is pivotal in converting the driver's foot pressure into a compressed air force that actuates the brakes. When the driver presses the brake pedal, it sends a signal to the brake chambers, initiating the release of compressed air to engage the brakes. This seamless interaction between the pedal and chambers ensures prompt braking response. Air lines and valves. Air lines and valves play a crucial role in regulating and directing the flow of compressed air within the air brake system. The air lines act as pathways, allowing the air to travel to different components like the brake chambers. Valves control the airflow, opening, and closing to release or retain compressed air as needed for braking. These components work together harmoniously to ensure the precise distribution of compressed air for effective brake operation. Working principle of an air brake system. Air brakes are a crucial component in ensuring the safe operation of heavy vehicles. Understanding how air brake systems work is essential for drivers and maintenance personnel alike. Let's delve into the workings of an air brake system, focusing on the key processes involved. Air compression process. The air compression process is where it all begins. A compressor, typically belt-driven by the engine, pressurizes air and sends it to the storage tanks. As the air is compressed, its volume decreases, leading to an increase in pressure. This compressed air is then stored in reservoirs to be used when applying the brakes. Brake application process. When the driver presses the brake pedal, the brake application process kicks in. This action sends a signal to the brake valve, which releases the compressed air from the storage tanks. The released air flows through the brake lines to the brake chambers located at each wheel. The pressure created by this air activates the brake mechanism, resulting in the braking force that slows down the vehicle. Release of brakes. Once the pressure on the brake pedal is released, the air brake system initiates the release of brakes. As the pressure decreases, the brake valve adjusts to allow air to flow back into the reservoirs, relaxing the brake mechanism. This cycle of applying and releasing the brakes enables precise control over the vehicle's speed and stopping distance. Understanding the working principle of an air brake system provides drivers with the knowledge needed to operate heavy vehicles safely and efficiently. By comprehending the intricate processes of air compression, brake application, and release, drivers can better grasp the importance of proper maintenance and adherence to operational guidelines to ensure optimal brake performance. Advantages of air brake systems. Air brake systems offer several distinct advantages over other braking systems. Let's delve into the key benefits that make air brakes a popular choice for many vehicles today. Reliability and safety. Air brake systems are renowned for their reliability and safety features, which are paramount when it comes to braking systems. Unlike hydraulic brakes that rely on fluid to transfer force, air brakes use compressed air. This method provides a more consistent braking performance, especially in heavy-duty vehicles. In emergencies, air brakes respond quickly and effectively, offering a sense of security to both drivers and passengers. Maintenance benefits. One of the significant advantages of air brake systems is the ease of maintenance and inspection they offer. Unlike hydraulic systems that require frequent fluid checks and potential leaks, air brakes are less prone to fluid-related issues. The simplicity of the design and the ability to detect air leaks easily make maintenance tasks more straightforward and cost-effective. Additionally, regular inspections of air brake systems can be conducted efficiently, ensuring optimal performance and safety on the road. Common issues and troubleshooting. Air brakes are a crucial component of any vehicle, ensuring safe and efficient braking performance. However, like any system, they can encounter problems that require troubleshooting. Let's delve into some common issues that may arise with air brake systems and how to address them effectively. Air leaks. Air leaks can significantly impact the functionality of an air brake system. These leaks often occur at connections, valves, or lines due to worn-out components or improper installation. To troubleshoot air leaks, conduct a thorough visual inspection of the system to pinpoint the source of the leak. Use soapy water or a leak detection solution to identify bubbles forming at the leak points. Once identified, replace or repair the faulty components promptly to restore the integrity of the system. Faulty compressor. A faulty compressor can lead to insufficient air pressure within the system, affecting the overall braking performance. Signs of a faulty compressor include irregular cycling, strange noises, or failure to maintain adequate air pressure. If you suspect an issue with the compressor, first check the compressor drive belt for wear or damage. Ensure that the compressor intake is free from debris and that there are no leaks in the compressor's air lines. If issues persist, consult a professional mechanic to inspect and repair the compressor to prevent further damage to the system. Brake dragging. Brake dragging, where the brakes fail to release fully after application, can cause excessive wear on brake components and reduce fuel efficiency. Common reasons for brake dragging include misadjusted pushrod travel, contaminated brake components, or a faulty brake chamber. To resolve brake dragging, start by checking the pushrod adjustment to ensure it falls within the manufacturer's specifications. Inspect the brake chambers for signs of damage or contamination, such as oil or debris. Clean or replace affected components as needed to eliminate brake dragging and restore optimal brake function. With the intricate workings of air brake systems now unveiled, it's evident that a clear understanding of this crucial component is paramount for ensuring vehicle safety on the roads. By comprehending how air brake systems operate, drivers and maintenance technicians can proactively address issues, prevent malfunctions, and ultimately safeguard themselves and others on the journey. Remember, when it comes to the safety of vehicles and passengers, knowledge truly is power. Stay curious, dig deeper into the workings of your vehicle's air brake system, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance when necessary. Safe travels start with a well-maintained and understood air brake system. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until next time, drive safely and take care. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.